That was our very beautiful Cham Kim Hang Sing and Hank Daniel Hau Kip. Now contestant number 5 is Neo Boy Hau Kip. She's an individual performer. Chilanga ko na hi na hungdo so ke diu after self introduction chilaya hi na kumtha diu ating le hi chilaya ko na hi hiti hi na chi do pai pai diu he. Now we would like to call Neo Boy Hau Kip. Neo Boy Hau Kip to min thang hiding a hi kapola. Please welcome contestant number 5 and 6 Neo Boy Hau Kip and Min Thang.
Nilha pa kamin chu hi le nei boy hau kip ahin ke hau kip la a sanchong pun sandup a color ahin a symbol okay chizo phale ke South Delhi apana kahin kain kute to ka chena hin Tunia कहूँ कि सिब्जा नोही चिही साइपी खुबाहीन चिही खिचोलहीन ची खिचोलहीन चिही a importance जो अहिले Nu kanen acha nu ahilo le amau nu apizia hin gift abanga and chibanin chihi khamtanga hin khamtanga him. Thank you.
Nilapa Mizos Miteho Kaminsu Hile Ngomintang Dongelahin Nupa Kahiu He Tuni Kakivon He Golulaya Akivona Saipi Kubahin Sa Ahundo the history his Sangpi Gul Python Pitehon Python suna thawa sa su askin suna lawa sa hi pon hin na simuntin kakive hi pon mon wang chiwang hi a history wang ka hepoi chichu society ho nei hil di ming hin te chi a history he Azizu society aki pudo hi cho hin na chate ho educate nei bol ngai ho hin azizu to chiong hi hoi tao history ke hello tia ju delia ho chate ho zo se he society ho nang ho kin a hin educate nei bol dio ka ki pa
That was our very beautiful Neo Boy Hau Kip and Min Thang Dong. Now contestant number 7 and 8 Sylvia Sing Sit and Lau Jem Kai To Thang. They will be a couple. Sylvia Sing Sit, Lau Jem Kai To Thang.
Nila pa. Kay men he lazim kai to thang he kay class 12 commerce kasem he to he to tu ni kong ke ban na he sai pi khub he to ka tai yong he sai pi khub he to tu lai smartphone khang lai a he ken ka smartphone a ding yong khat kan ke choi he che he ki pai
Amasa penin chilaya ahung zo se ka ngai lut na le ka jana salam ka hin bo tuni nal ta le pa the ta khong ki bon hin ka ki bon na chu hi le chi hi leng te pon ve akitin ipu ipaw se dan zara emi paw ka them mo walen ahi wangin try to hung ki bol di dan he ipu ipawin asaydan according to our forefathers respectable people adorers hoin anaki bonzi ve hi kakhiya hi khichong ahin numei ho aman aki khumting la chong ki khum khom ji ahin chule konga ka ki ve hi saipi khup zem pon ahin modern technology ahung increase le pon ki bol nung ta pon koi machan mi jo se install ho bong ki bol jin chile chi kanu back hi kong ki gu tho ahin nal ka sawal akit adei akit chodi ha contact hin bol theu he chile achai na penin kasi inum chile ken sai na kuna Thado Student Association akhan to na dinga ken I'll be a part of it and Thado wing so hen
Up next is a couple, Mercy Baite and Kevin Sitlow. Mercy Baite and Kevin Sitlow. Contestant number 9 and 10, Mercy Baite, Kevin Sitlow.
Kamin sa hile Mercy Baite kahin kay tunya hilaya kahung din do na katalang num na sa hile kapun ve to kahibuya hin kapun ve hi khamtang hin malai pile pu khanga ko na iniman jingo thina man ne hi jang le aniki mangjing hi en tile kakibui hi ele pile pu te khanga ko na kitchen ni hen kitchen ni a man khum na hi chikibui zau lo wa hi man khum na thing lo hi chile kapun ve hetai kan ve ji pi ham me te le mal sang lai pi te in hiti tinga na ya na ve ji hi ka ki pa
ke min hi le Kevin Paulen mang sit ho ke hin ka ki von na hi le sai pi khu boy tong hin ka ki khu hi thang na hin chila ya thong din do na pen chu le tu chung TSA hon chilai ki pa na dung ya chilai function nan go ke imcha bol thene ne hi zon ki pa pi na zala bol thene ne hi zon ka hong din do mai mai he tia kang ve le chan chue
That was our very beautiful Mercy Baite and handsome Kevin Sitlow. Now the last contestant we have is Alan Sang Vai Pei. Contestant number 11, Alan Sang Vai Pei.
Kami na hile Alan Sang Vai Pei hin ka tua qualification na hile BA Economics Honors third year ka hin tua tunila kong ki vanna hile saipi khub ahin chi generation ki khial dungju hin tua hi West Coast ho zonga kisim do tan tua gang display banga hi vet theiwa tan tua chi jong hi le sai pi khu ma hin chiwang azana ka hepui West Coast hi le wang cho pasala cho min nu ya wang ka hepui ka ke pa e
mà bên thầy lâu ở sông gầm lệ tiếng hàng gầm hồn lệ phải tên na.
These are the beautiful ladies and the handsome hunks that we have in Thado Chata. Thado Chate lai ho tu ni ki lai khom na wa ma hoi contestants hoi. Hoi na sa thei na ubam. Have we all decided who will win the best couple? Have we all decided? Ivet chim thei na ubam. Navet chim gam ta ubam. Favorites na nay gam ta ubam. They are all beautiful and young, smart, talented. Tuahi amaho Marks SS akibol ka ahi eho President pa TSA in padong kiladingin katim na kanaye. Thank you all beautiful ladies and gentlemen.
Cái sang nó san thị khoản này cái gì mà bằng in apart từ dung duy cái trái cá siêu quá cho in lăng akom line evangelist họ khát tốt nín thà đồ họ chú aki khop một vài hele ngadang dang in cái về tu vin conference cái trái ní lệ cha cái chỗ piu to aki quay u to aki ngai lut bol le ba salap lo ji ve tiu le chai ni ge wa cho phun phun jing diu hin tin mi pi ho yo ichim thim diu kata san ta in tunia ilawa hong zau nu ti ho pa ti ho them khat ga he dinga loma igel ho phun dinga lom them khat ini win hi chima sang chun thudo khat ichin di wa khang tha hon khat kadi sa in thado pa wa hin thu cheng khat a umin hi chu thu cheng chu ki phona ki hilna ki puizang na dinga thu cheng khat iseya hi le cham kim jing thing jing aban jong sei be ngai lo rules jong sei ngai lo thu cheng khat me a he hen hin sei ti wo ipi thu cheng ham ki phona ki hilna ti ting le ki puizang na dinga thu cheng khat a umin hi chi thu cheng chu ipi ham na phabet chan ki umin ti ki hilna dinga ki phona dinga imyo si adinga pau cheng khat ine u chu na phabet chan ki umin mem chun i phabet chai khe na la pha hi tai tunin ilawa hunga ga he dinga lom nu ha nu to thang superintendent of custom khat ve ga din pi divin kanu chu ka ga ti mi nu hard boy to thang chiting le abanin tunin ilawa tun ama hong the hi lai jong le aloi nu ongin ex president anahi pa boy thang loi nu ting cha khat ve ga din pi divin kain ti me anung langa asar ho chun nu ting cha chu khat ve asung langa en puilut pi divin iga ti mu ve boye hintin chiting le lamkai tam ta jong lamkai lui ho kum tam ta gap minom ta ji hin lamkai tam ta yong tunia ilawa hong la hiet lo เหตุโดลูเอาข้าจงเละนี่นังไงดำทีมดีวินกันทีมินจิติงเละตุนินพัดโจซีข้านะทางวันนาตาวมันปีดีว่าพาสตอร์เฮงอำจงอิลาวันหงลุงตันอามาจงขัดวีมีปีลาเอกาดินปีดีวินเอกาทีมูเวเกมันตัวนี้ตัวอะไรงะอันนี้เวชนาก็ดีน่าจ้ะก็สู้เขียนจนาก็คิดใช่ดีเดะก็ตีสาหินจริงเลยอีโลวินกินเนี่ยพิมตาจริงเลยขังท่าเตหัวอะไรงะกิลนาเทตาตัวเตดีอะไรงะด็อกเตอร์กูลหังอินเนยกูลหังด็อกเตอร์ทางตินลด็อกเตอร์อินเนยดิลเฮียด็อกเตอร์ทางตินลจงอีโลวางละอินขัดวีเอกาดินดอปีดีวินมีปีละอัตุนาโกนินกะกะติเมด็อกเตอร์ทางตินลสู้เฮียลเสียเฮียลเอามาฮิเล่กิงไอทีมุฮิตินพาดนี่น่าไล่ไปเลยอโจเกียยองปะทังตินลอร่อยนูจงหงเจ้าฮิเล่กิโลมินขัดวีอร่อยนูจงอีกาดินดอปีดีวินขังท่าติโฮละกันตีเมอามานิจงอีโฮลาหงละเทจิวินดิลีเล่ NCR สุงาท่าดูสตูเดนโจซีเล่ขังท่าโจซีทะเลงินประธานขัดหินอินกิปาทูอีกาเซวินเฮก็กิปะ
Thank you very much, President. Since we're running short of time today, sorry for all the inconvenience. We may not be able to call every performer on the stage today. Ahin latu ahi best couple of the year to ikaw do masangovin. Like while we wait for them. While we wait for the declaration, who will be the winner of this today's Thado Best Culture couple? Jasper Mangte akonin special number khat ngai laute. Jasper Mangte. Jasper Mangte, please come up to the stage. The stage is all yours. Mangte is in the process of making one music album. Tuahi Aman, one of the songs from his music, he composed himself. So he will be presenting one of his songs.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
I hear them, can I have a number? Cause I can't remember the day man. I hear them, oh, I know you like me, and I know you want me, but here we are. I hear them, can I have a number? Cause I can't remember, baby man. I hear it, oh, I know you like me, and I know you want me, but here we are. I saw you in my dream, but it doesn't make no sense. Trying to capture in my mind tonight, yeah, yeah, no, no. Tryna hold you in my hand, gonna make you understand. Tryna give you in my mind tonight. Give you all, yeah, give you all to you tonight, yeah, yeah, everybody, come on. Give you all, I give you all to you. Give you all to you tonight, but you never call me or text me again. I hear that, no, why don't you call me? Why don't you need me? Behavior. Come on guys, come on. I saw you in my dream, but it doesn't make no sense. Trying to capture in my mind tonight, yeah, no. Yeah, hold you in my hand, gonna make you understand. Trying to capture in my mind tonight. Give you all, I give you all to you tonight. I give you all, I give you all, I give you all to you, I give you all to you tonight. I give you all, come on guys, I give you all, come on. I give you all to you tonight. I give you all, I give you all, I give you all to you, I give you all to you tonight. I hear them, can I have a number? 'Cause I can't remember the dead man. And guys, so my new song is coming soon on iTunes and 300 websites, and I hope you like it.
Thank you very much, Jasper Mangte. That was wonderful, incredible job. Now, this one is for all the heavy metal fans, lovers. Samsao with all the long hair guys, headbangers time. Presenting to you all, We the Root Band. We the Root Band. Music saves more lives than war. Put down your guns and get on the dance floor.
The last singers on the stage, and the song called is Katange TSA.
Check.